How would you like to be treated as a whole person? How would you like options in conventional and alternative fields of health? How would you like to be listened to and have your questions answered? Experience what it's like to have hope, freedom, and results in your family's health. At North Dallas Rehab and Wellness, professionals from medical physician, chiropractic physician, to physical therapists work together for your benefit. This team also utilizes cutting-edge equipment to bring about a whole new level of care for your family. A typical first office visit usually costs $250, but through this special TV offer, you'll receive an examination and up to 2 x-rays for only $79. A $250 value for only $79. Most insurance is accepted, including workman's comp and personal injury. Join the multidiscipline revolution. Call North Dallas Rehab and Wellness at 972-248-3101. That's 972-248-3101. Welcome to the multidiscipline revolution. Healthcare will never be the same.
Now, the urgent care center or emergency room is understandably a rough place to get holistic care. They are busy treating people in life and death situations, major bleeding, heart attacks. They don't really have time to thoroughly examine you. So as long as you have a pulse and are breathing, care will always be given to life-threatening cases first, and you never see the same doctor twice. What I'm talking about is a place that knows your name. A multidiscipline office is not about the quick fix. It's about caring for your health with quality and a personal touch. Your family will love coming here. They will be a part of the team. The atmosphere is relaxed and comfortable. In fact, some have said it's like joining a family.
It's bringing the patient to the forefront. It's what is best for the patient. And sometimes I think with healthcare itself, I'm sure most of our patients would agree that that has been lost. They don't feel that they are the forefront or the most important reason why. So as we address the patient in the more natural sense, as a whole body, we are addressing all their symptoms and systems within their body to make this type of approach more cost-effective, more efficient, and longer lasting. And the benefit far exceeds more conventional type of means of working as a solo practitioner.
We do have cases where a patient is going to do worse with one or the other, and with us talking to the other doctors or with them talking to me, we can figure out which one's actually causing the problem and change the treatment plan from there. Patient's input is one of the most important things. So we're not only communicating with each other in the clinic, but how the patient feels is always relayed to the other doctors that day.
When I came here, I discovered that the staff was exceptionally welcoming. They treated me like an individual person. Every time I walked in the door, they all noticed me, called me by name, made me feel very welcome, like a part of the family.
The way that they make me feel coming in here is I am not just a number. I'm a person. They deal with you one-on-one. It's like they're your best friend.
Emergency room, you go in, it takes so long to be seen. You could be there 3, 4, 5 hours. In all honesty, you're really just a number there. And a lot of times you're treated as so. And then again, in this clinic, there's always someone here. I don't care what's wrong. There's always someone here to handle the problem that you have.
If you're just joining us, we've been talking about a revolution in the health industry, multidiscipline offices. That is, many different health specialists under one roof. This is going to sweep the country because it's filling a vital need. The need for power to be given back to the family, not the medical institutions. Multidiscipline offices do just that. You will have options from conventional medicine to alternative health care. The best of the entire health industry, all in one place, just for you.
Join the multidiscipline revolution at North Dallas Rehab and Wellness, 972-248-3101.
Every morning, the 4 of us get together and go through a whole computerized list and who each patient sees, including me. And each case is discussed in front of the staff and what the patient's going to need. So that's the first thing we do in the morning.
It's sad to say, but a lot of physicians don't work together in a very close knit in regards to the patient's overall condition. So with this bringing together, the patients are requiring it today. The reason why is because of the vast knowledge of information that is available to our public. They are asking, what is my alternatives? What other choices do I have? We really encourage our patients in this office to ask questions. Unfortunately, years ago, you could never question your physician. Now that trend is here, and I think it's been well deserved by our patients to be able to ask, this is my treatment plan. What other alternatives do I have? What are my choices?
I hope by now you've got an idea of the level of care you could be receiving. Why hasn't anyone done this before? The benefits of multidiscipline are truly revolutionary. You will save time by having your health team in one place. Get more for your money with a team that really works together. Get prompt appointments even if you are new. Be treated holistically by medical and alternative fields of health. Be an active part of your own health team. Thrive in a relaxed, supportive atmosphere, and enjoy the results of quality, comprehensive care.
The very day that I got my adjustment, my headache was gone. And I had lived in pain for so long. It was excellent. I went home, my husband was like ecstatic because I was just so grouchy and irritable from being in so much pain. He was ecstatic.
How would you like to be treated as a whole person? How would you like options in conventional and alternative fields of health? How would you like to be listened to and have your questions answered? Experience what it's like to have hope, freedom, and results in your family's health. At North Dallas Rehab and Wellness, professionals from medical physician, chiropractic physician, to physical therapists work together for your benefit. This team also utilizes cutting-edge equipment to bring about a whole new level of care for your family. A typical first office visit usually costs $250, but through this special TB offer, you'll receive an examination and up to 2 x-rays for only $79. A $250 value for only $79. Most insurance is accepted, including workman's comp and personal injury. Join the multidiscipline revolution. Call North Dallas Rehab and Wellness at 972-248-3101. That's 972-248-3101. Welcome to the multidiscipline revolution. Healthcare will never be the same.
People are tired of being a pawn of the health industry. They're open to new solutions that work. The time has come for the medical and alternative fields of health to work together. That time is now. For the first time in medical history, the best of the entire health industry have teamed up together in multidiscipline offices. Families are receiving a level of care they only dreamed about, and all it took was a little common sense. Don't give up on the health industry just yet. Make a fresh start. Give them a call.
With the multidisciplinary team approach, the uniqueness also comes with the fact of your insurance coverage. What we find is it is being well accepted because as a new patient, you're only a new patient here once, no matter what discipline or provider you see. So in a cost-effective means, this is very cost-effective, both for the insurance company and the patient.
I believe that the patient that comes to a multidiscipline office, and I can speak for myself, if I were a patient, would be one that wants results, one that realizes that if Dr. A isn't going to help me, Dr. B will.
You specialize in one thing, but sometimes you get into routine and you don't really pick things up, and that's why it's good that there's a backup plan, that there's more than one person looking at the problem, because if you do miss something, somebody else will pick it up.
Choosing to come here to the multidisciplinary practice was the single most productive choice that I made in getting healed.
In fact, Stuart was having a bout with some bloody noses. He had several of them, and they became several a day, and they became more and more frequent. We brought him in for chiropractic adjustments, and after the first adjustment, I haven't had a bloody nose since, and it's been about 7 months.
This place is a place of hope. It's a place of hope and dreams that come true faster than you ever thought possible.
Are you starting to get excited? Multidiscipline offices are offering hope to people that were ready to just give up. So let me ask you, do you have something that you're ready to give up on? Are you learning to just live with that pain? If that's you or someone you love, don't let anything keep you from calling. You may have just fallen through the cracks of the healthcare industry, that's all. There's still hope. Give them a call.
But if they ever would come and let them treat them in the way that they do, I think a lot of people would just be astonished at the difference in how they feel.
Discussing cases together and which avenue of treatment to take, that discussion is very valuable and certainly in the best interest of the patient.
And that's what people like, is the ability to make sense of their care and why it's going to happen and the choices. It's imperative that patients have choices. And years ago, that wasn't there.
There's something so refreshing about specialists from all walks of health sharing solutions together openly. It's empowering. I know because I'm not only a mom, I'm also a doctor. Being a part of this kind of team has actually made me a better doctor. Take the guesswork out of healthcare. Give your family the best of the entire health industry. The Multidiscipline Office. Thanks for joining me. I'm Dr. Kelly Plotner.
How would you like to be treated as a whole person? How would you like options in conventional and alternative fields of health? How would you like to be listened to and have your questions answered? Experience what it's like to have hope, freedom, and results in your family's health. At North Dallas Rehab and Wellness, professionals from medical physician, chiropractic physician, to physical therapists work together for your benefit. This team also utilizes cutting-edge equipment to bring about a whole new level of care for your family. A typical first office visit usually costs $250, but through this special TV offer, you'll receive an examination and up to 2 x-rays for only $79. A $250 value for only $79. Most insurance is accepted, including workman's comp and personal injury. Join the multidiscipline revolution. Call North Dallas Rehab and Wellness at 972-248-3101. That's 972-248-3101.
Yodeling.